We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
My sand over there.
Woo!
My sand over there.
Oh, they're over there?
Look, Dana.
Your Pokemon towel that you wanted.
Pikachu.
You happy, Dana? We're at the beach.
Yes.
Say, we're going to the beach.
Yeah.
We are at the beach.
We are at the beach. We are at the beach. We are at the beach. It's a little windy, so Dylan has a sweater on, but it's not cold. But I still don't want to take off his sweater. Oh, his... Oh. He's like, what you doing? Should we put her some sunscreen?
Yeah.
You know this burns. Yeah.
You want, yeah.
Spray on her legs and her arms.
Where's it at?
Somewhere in there. Hasta allá abajo de seguro, because you know how it's...
And then
We are at the beach. We almost didn't even end up coming because it was sprinkling on the way over here, and now it's like kind of warm. So we're happy that it's warm now.
let me see. Wait. Close your eyes.
Dylan is enjoying the sand. Oh, ¿le quieres poner aquí, papi? Te enseño, mira. Ahora tú.
Close your eyes, though. Close your eyes.
Yay! Eso, papá. Wow, good job.
Okay, I think I put it up.
The last time we were here, Dylan was scared of the sand, and now look at him. Playing with the sand. Looks so cloudy, but it's actually not cold.
Like, humid.
Yeah, it's like the perfect 73 weather, 75. I don't know if you guys can see her little crab right there. Dylan. Look at our cool tent that we found at Target. Because I saw one of... Hold on. Did you know that I found these because of a YouTuber?
You would.
that I follow? So we got this cool tent at Target because I saw a YouTuber who had bought in it. I don't know if it's the exact same one, but she wanted to try it. Or she was gonna try it to see if it worked or not. And it was perfect because I've always wanted something like this for when we come to the beach. So it's perfect. We're just eating some chips.
You guys should get a...
Do you guys see my Dana Banana and Alan over there trying to get some water for their sand castle? Despacito, papi. ¿Está rico? Look at them getting in the water. Oh. While they get in, we're just gonna wait here because I don't like the water. I don't like the wet, you know, the sand being all over me, so I don't like to get in. And Dylan doesn't like cold water, so it's perfect. They get to go in the water and we just get to stay here and relax. Dana has been wanting to come to the beach. She asked to come, and it's been hot over here, so perfect timing, and it's kind of empty, thankfully. So it's gonna be a good day. And then afterwards, maybe we can get some In-N-Out, because In-N-Out is literally around the corner, so I'm excited. You excited? Yeah? Okay. La Dana está en el agua, mira. Mira, la Dana está en el agua. Sí, está en el agua la Dana. ¿La Dana está en el agua? Look at Dana. Mira la Dana. Hi, Dana.
Did you see us?
I did see you. How was it? It was good? Are you cold?
Cold?
I guess.
A little bit.
Ooh, it already feels cold.
It's warmer than usual though.
Oh, really?
I mean, it's cold, yeah, but you get to feel.
You lied. It's not warm. Oh, he's scared.
Okay, no.
Oh, he's scared. I told you.
Party pooper.
By the way, we forgot Dana's bathing suit in the car. No. When you get out right here, it feels warmer. Don't throw it at me, okay? That hair, though.
I know. I'm trying to let it grow.
I know.
Try to be like Fabio.
He's trying to be like Fabio. Who's Fabio? For those who don't know.
I don't know. Some guy. I've always heard his name, and I always saw a guy with long hair going like this against the wind. I don't know if it's the same guy, but
Uh-huh.
so I'm trying to let it grow like him, so I can have luscious.
Long, luscious hair.
What's that?
Are you doing the floss or what? Trying to do a floss?
So I'm just trying to get a little dry.
You trying to get dry?
Monster!
Can't wait for an In-N-Out.
Can't wait for In-N-Out. Yeah. I told you guys we were gonna go to In-N-Out. I mentioned it earlier that I was excited to go to In-N-Out.
We're excited.
Because I don't really like the beach because of the water and the sand gets stuck all over
She
you.
doesn't like
So I'm excited for In-N-Out. We're going to In-N-Out. We're going to In-N-Out.
Nope.
No, don't whip me. No, Dana, I'm being serious. No. We forgot your bathing suit, Dana. So sad. And it was such a cute bathing suit. Huh. Oh well. We brought her extra clothing anyway, so. Dylan, we took him to the water and he got scared, so no.